Hey guys, welcome back to another adventuring video. And tomorrow morning, we'll be taking the boat out of its hibernation, and we're going onto the water on the Columbia River to watch the fireworks for 4th of July. We got a lot of toys. We're a fun family, but that doesn't stop us from taking the boat out and making him feel loved too. It doesn't have a name. We've had this boat for a long time, and it still doesn't have a name, but it's sad, but oh well. Anyway, very shortly, this boat will be able to come out of its hibernation and then hook it up to the truck for tomorrow.
Fully clear on my side.
Bye-bye, boat. Alright guys, as you can see, our boat is no longer in the garage. There's our boat. Out in the open sun. Alright guys, we got the boat hooked up to the hose with the tool right there to make the boat think that it's in the water when it's not actually in the water. It's not a very smart boat. Just have it hooked up just to your normal house hose. And then we have the engine compartment open. There's the boat engine. And we have it open so that it doesn't go kaboom with the trapped gas fumes. It runs. Good morning guys, happy 4th of July, and pretty soon my beautiful boat will be on the water and have a nice little boat day, get to the camping spot, which is going to be an island on the Columbia River, and then tonight at probably 10 p.m. go to watch some fireworks to end off 4th of July, America's 250-year anniversary or birthday. Happy birthday, America. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm in the boat. Dad's towing me right now. And we have made it to the boat launch. And then we'll be on the water shortly. Here we go. Left or right?
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway, looking for adventure and whatever comes our way. Yeah, gotta go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of the guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, gotta go make it happen. Take the world.
Guys, we might be cooked. Boat started smoking. Smells something going on. Just sprayed the engine. Sprayed the engine with fire extinguisher. Something's happening.
I don't know what's happening. I just sprayed it. I'm hearing some crazy noises. I don't know what the hell's happening.
Hi, we just left from there and our engine started smoking.
What?
We got an extinguisher, but it's...
All right, guys. This is not going according to plan. I don't know if I'm gonna make this video or not, but if you're seeing this, then it's posted. Boat's broken down. We're trying to get somebody to give us a tow. Just called the marina where we launched at, and they don't have anybody to give us a tow. And then we could call Columbia River Assistance, but that's gonna cost a lot. So we're gonna hope that somebody is gonna come and like tow us. We'll see.
Okay.
Boat started making some.
Probably back here, so I can stand up.
Boat started making weird noises. Smelled burning rubber or burning engine or burning something. Boat started to smoke like a cigarette. And yeah, now we're here. Probably maybe 5-10 minutes away from, probably 5-ish minutes away from the launch.
Pedal forward, I'm gonna pedal backwards to turn.
So yeah, we're starting to paddle.
Any chance you'd be willing to? Yeah, any chance you'd be willing to? Where are you going? Just around the French Marina, right around the corner here in the channel. Yeah? Absolutely. Oh man, you'd say rope or no? I've got rope if you want it.
Looks like we have a willing participant.
Well,
Thank you.
saved us, thank you.
All right, guys, we got people that are incredibly nice, and they're gonna tow us back to the marina. All right, our marina is over there. If you can see it that far. We're so close, yet so far. And then we do the challenging part of getting the boat back on the trailer without engine help. So, we'll see how that goes. It's a beautiful day out though. Would have been a good boat day, but boat decided it didn't want to work. Alright, we have made it back to the marina and the boat launch. These people are so nice. We just tried to give them money because they did not have to help us, but they did. And they wouldn't accept payment. It was just, we need more people like them.
Alright, so.
It's amazing. It's amazing what humanity can become. Alright guys, we made it back to the boat ramp. And we were visited with some deer. 2 deer, probably family. We think the boat might have just been sucking in water from the outdrive. So hopefully the motor is not cooked. Sounds good.